Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Dipak Varsani. This is Lenovo's earbuds and its model name is Thinkplus LivePods LP40 Pro. Today in this video we are going to unbox these earbuds. So first, let's remove wrapping paper. So this is our earbuds. You can see earbuds and its case is different. And this is C port type charging cable to charge our earbud case. This is our earbud case where we can keep our earbuds and charge our earbuds. Let's put our earbuds inside the case. You can use these earbuds continuously for 5 hours and you can connect with your mobile phone up to 10 meters distance. It will take 1.5 hours to charge your earbuds and earbuds case. So this is how you can place them inside and charge your charging box, earbud box and earbuds together. And this is earbuds tips. You can change if you want to. This is 2 colors, green and purple. There are different kinds of earbuds on this model: pink, green, white, black and purple. Now this is AirPods Pro and we will compare it with the LivePods LP40 Pro. So the color is same and you can see the size is bit different. The Lenovo LivePods LP Pro is small one and even shape is more curve. Now this is opening mechanism. It's almost same, and the button, there is no button in LP40 Pro. And the charging port is bit different. Actually charging port is completely different because AirPods have a Lightning cable charging port and Lenovo LP40 has a USB-C type port. Now the arrangement of AirPods is a bit opposite side. Here you can see, and if I remove from here, it will rest opposite. So that's how they have arranged in LP40 Pro. And you can see the design difference. It's a bit different. So these are the content inside the box: the charging box or earbuds box case, and then earbuds, earbuds tips, charging cable and manual book or warranty card. So here you will find all the information how to use it and how it works. If you want to buy these earbuds, you can get the link of Amazon or any other website in the description of this video or in the top comment of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.